are wearing a colorful dress, and each dress is designed specifically at the young lady's request.
And next we have the Buccaneers of Tortuga. The Pirates have arrived in San Juan Capistrano. The Buccaneers of Tortuga is an award-winning historical theater guild dedicated to an accurate and colorful portrayal of pirates during the golden age of piracy. The goal here is to the adherence to authenticity in attire, customs, weaponry, and battle skills. Wow, they sure make an impressive-looking pirate group.
Boy, do they look out. She's got a beer mug on her belt and a weapon in her hand.
You got it.
Looks like trouble. There's a...
And they say, we be a jolly group of adventurous, fun-loving souls out looking to relieve heavily laden ships and individuals of their burdens. Our activities include costume, dance, and swordsmanship workshops, sea battles complete with cannon fire, pirate balls and banquets, Renaissance fair encampments. They sound like a really fun group.
Oh, look out. Captain Armand Bordeaux de la Garde.
Yes.
Is the fearless captain. I see a few teeth missing around there at that group, too.
Yeah. They could be a motley-looking pirate group.
Swashbucklers.
Yes. Probably come to reclaim Capistrano for another day. When they thought San Juan was being invaded, you know, they actually took the mission bells and buried them.
Oh,
They did that, yes.
Really?
They
Okay.
did.
So they did not lose them. Or get them
No,
stolen.
Get them stolen.
Which is a lot of work if you think about it.
That's true.
The size of those bells and the work it would take back then just to do that.
Right.